Why are some cars' fuel tanks on the right and others on the left? If the car you buy is a German car, a Chinese car, or an American car, your fuel filler is usually on the right side. If the car you buy is a British car, a Korean car, and a Japanese car, your fuel filler is usually on the left. Today, I will tell you why. Under normal circumstances, the farther the fuel filler is from the driver, the better. If driving on the right, the steering wheel is on the left and the fuel filler is on the rear right. If driving on the left, the steering wheel is on the right and the gas filler is on the rear left. Do you understand now? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.